Hello and alaikum everyone.
Welcome back to our channel. So today we are super excited, right Mama?
Yes, we are very excited because
We are going to be introducing you to our newest family member.
To our newest family member of Team Mellow Marshmellow. And we are really excited because we've had our eyes on that member
For quite some time.
So shall we go ahead?
Yep, we shall go ahead.
Let's
start.
count off 1, 2,
3.
3. Ta-da! Yay! Here is our newest family member. Yes, Cricut Maker, and we are so excited. We are finally part of Cricut family.
And the Cricut is finally part of our family. So let's unbox it.
Yay! Excited. We are the ABC for this. Ta-da! There and there we go. So it has been
Oh god. So big.
Oh, we need bubble for this. Okay, let's do one thing, Susanna. Let's know how. I can't take it out. Ta-da!
Now we'll just pull it out.
Yeah, you hold the pattern and
Ultimate
Very
smart
good.
cutting machine. This is the ultimate. Oh, this is so cool. It's the
Woohoo!
ultimate smart cutting machine. Hey, this is so cool.
So guys, this is our Cricut Maker. We got it in champagne color. There are other colors also, and Cricut has variety of other. It has Cricut Air. It has recently introduced Cricut Joy, which is a very small machine. This machine can cut, emboss, and do a lot on almost 300 materials. We will take you along on our journey to exploring Cricut Maker. So let's get started and let's set it up. So here is our Cricut Maker. So let's start. It's packed like this, and it comes with a small box. So basically this machine comes like what comes in the box is a Cricut Maker machine, rotary blade plus drive housing, premium fine point blade plus a housing fine point pen, black fabric grip mat 12 by 12 inches,
And a light grip mat which is 12 by 12 inches, 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter. We have a quick start guide, a USB cable, power adapter, free trial membership to Cricut Access, and we have 50 free ready to make projects including 25 sewing patterns, materials for a practice project.
So one blade is here and one blade is already in the in the machine. It's already in the machine. We will open the machine when it's right. Here's the pen, here's the cable, and here's the cover for the blades. Ta-da!
Everything packed very good.
Yeah, very nice packaging. Okay, so this is the material for our first project. This I can't wait, so I'm going to peek in this first.
Will step-by-step guide be in here, or is this
Okay,
a
this
paper?
it's a paper. We can do that. Okay.
Paper.
So I think the colors differ from box to box. It's not necessary everybody gets the same. So now, which
Yeah.
are we supposed to open first? Okay. So shall we open this first, or shall we take out our
think we should-
maker out first?
Maybe we should take out our maker and then we'll open the guide. So this is, I didn't expect it to be that large. I mean, it's so huge.
Woohoo!
Here
And
are
then
all
more
the
cables.
cables.
Okay, Madana, you can remove the box. And we shall open our Cricut machine. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Oh my god. Ooh, nice.
What's this part for?
For keeping your tools.
So now we'll open up the guide or whatever is inside it. So let's open it. Get started in 4 steps.
So these are, I think, different. Yeah, these are different
Yeah,
languages.
these are
it
different
comes
languages.
in. So we'll take the English one and rest we'll
So
put inside.
unleash this beauty, get connected, make a little something, and bookmark this page.
So guys, as we showed it to you that we already have this blade here, and the other blade is in the box which we showed you when we were unboxing, and these two mats also come with it. And if you want any other size, you have to buy it. And then what I got separately was Cricut tools, which are very important. And for my starter projects, I got some vinyl, premium vinyl, transfer tape, and then I also got small sheets of cardstock. And what beautiful color it has. We just can't wait to get started. Let's plug in our Cricut. So guys, the Cricut Maker comes with two types of power cables. One is 2-pin plug and a 3-pin plug, and you can plug in whichever you want. And the cable goes oopsie, oopsie, here. And once you plug in, yeah, you'll see the green line here, and then ta-da! And you're all set to start. So guys, we've done the first step. Now we're going to do the second step, which is get connected. So now we have to go on Cricut.com setup, and it will walk us through the whole procedure. Guys, we're all set up, and this is what comes as an option once your whole machine is the Maker or whichever Cricut you have is linked with your computer. So if you want, you can start with your project. So we are setting up our mat here, okay? And let's see whether I'm thinking of doing this blue one, and we'll set it here, I think. Ooh. Oh my god. Wow. So cool. And then we use our weeding tools to remove this.